Today, we will tour 5058 East Lucia Drive in Cave Creek, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Cave Creek, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the highly desirable Tatum Ranch community. The secondary bedrooms are generously sized and come with ample closet space. With a prime location just 5 miles north of the Loop 101 and easy access to I-17, this home offers a quick and easy commute to anywhere in the valley. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The layout is thoughtfully designed with a spacious great room that flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining areas. The kitchen is open and inviting, with ample cabinetry, generous counter space, and a layout that allows you to stay connected with guests or family while you cook. Here we have a spacious backyard with a covered patio, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a spacious layout, a large walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom complete with dual vanity sinks, a luxurious soaking tub, and a separate shower. This gem has everything you need and more. Schedule your tour today and come experience it for yourself.